we made it to Deurali last night. Um, it was pretty much dark when we got here, so I didn't really get a chance to do any kind of video and stuff. It's a really nice place. We're just up on top of the ridge line here. There's a whole bunch of these Mani walls with prayers on them here. And that's the Lama guest house there is where we stayed. It was a nice place. $100 or 100, sorry, excuse me, rupees to stay the night, and dinner, breakfast, the whole deal was 900 rupees, so $10 breakfast, lunch, sorry, breakfast, dinner, and a place to stay. Where we came from yesterday was way over there where you see the big road carved into the mountain. Over and down the other side of that is that drainage over there is Jiri. So today, my knee's a little sore today, so I want to take it easy. So we're gonna see how far we get today, and we'll let you guys know. Bye bye. Say hi, Sophia.
We feel perfect.
Day 2. We're rocking it. Having a great day. Beautiful Mani walls here. Let's go. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
I'm here in Bunthur, Nepal. It's on Jiri Everest trekking route. A small little village. We're day 2 of our trek, and we've been seeing lots of building of homes and lodges and lots of damaged buildings along the way. And I'm not sure if any of you are familiar. There was apparently an extremely there was a very devastating earthquake here in I believe 2015, 3 years ago now, and I think 7 point something or 8 point something on the Richter scale. Anyway, a lot of homes and a lot of buildings were damaged in there, and it looks like they're still rebuilding. And right behind me here is either a home or an old lodge that you can see some obvious damage to it. The walls are cracked all the way up. It's definitely not safe to live in. And just up the hill, you can see them building a similar style new building. I don't know if it's the same people, owners, family, but definitely we're seeing lots of impact from that earthquake still 3 years later in the area here. Again, it was, I guess this particular area here was the epicenter of that earthquake, and still people are rebuilding from it 3 years after. Oh, so we made it to Kinja today. It was raining the last hour. We were trekking actually fairly hard, so we decided just to say, hey, let's chill here, take it easy, rest this afternoon, and try to recharge before we go over the next big pass. Anyway, I haven't really seen much of the town. This is our little room here. It was 200 rupees a night each, so 400 Nepali rupees. Yeah, anyway, more from Nepal and Kinja. Hello! So we are in Kinja right now, starting day 3 of our trek. We got in fairly late last night. It was raining. Anyway, now, today and tomorrow are probably going to be 2 of the most challenging days so far for a trek. We are heading up, way up there, over the Deurali Pass. we'll probably over the next 2 days climb. I think it's 1,900 meters up and over the pass, and then down into Genbizi, I believe it is. We're probably going to take 2 days to do it, just because 1,000 meters altitude a day is quite a bit. Stop halfway up. There's a bunch of guest houses going up. There's even one at the top of the pass. And then do the pass tomorrow down into Gembizi. We may take a rest day. Both of us are kind of tired of going up and down mountains for the last couple of days. Today will be the third day. We'll see how it goes. Hello. So we've been hiking for about 2 hours from Kinja, which is the village down at the bottom of the mountain there. We've risen about 500 meters altitude and maybe gone, how many kilometers? 1.6 kilometers, but 500 meters up. It's pretty much been like stairs straight up. Cool viewpoint here. You can actually see Bandar and Deurali, where we came from, on the far mountain there. If you can see the village on the far mountain there, that's Bandar, and then up on the ridgeline over on it is Deurali, where we stayed 2 nights ago. So we basically came down the way down there and then up the valley here to Kinja. And now we're on our way to Sete. I think we're about halfway there maybe in terms of altitude gain, and then a little less in terms of kilometers. But yeah, it's going so far so good today, and we should be there maybe in 2 hours, 2.5 hours.
Is that okay?
Yeah, perfect. So we're about halfway between Sete and Dakchu, maybe a little bit closer to Sete. And we came across this farm or little group of buildings that's completely demolished. It's pretty sad. This would have been a really nice little farm or guest house up here before the earthquake. It looks like people pretty much almost abandoned it. Maybe they went to the city or down to the village. But yeah, it looks like a bomb went off. It's crazy. Anyway, yeah, these people, their lives totally got destroyed with that earthquake. Anyway, we gotta keep moving. More from the Himalayas. Bye for now.